Marion County 911, where's the location of emergency?
Woodland.
What's going on?
Okay, so it's two dudes over here, and they keep on walking around talking stuff about me, and they won't leave, and they still standing here.
Okay, do you have any description of them?
Now they left, but now it's just one dude. I think he jumped, but like he's like
he white, black, or Hispanic?
He white.
What color clothing is he wearing?
A gray hat, red shoes, black jacket, gray sweatpants.
Alright, do you see a gun or a knife in his hands?
No. I say black hoodie, right?
Yes. And what's your name, sir?
Yeah. Deonta
Is your phone number through?
Williams. Huh?
Is your phone number?
Yeah.
Okay, and you said Fairfield Avenue?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get officers out. Thank you.
Is there a guy in a red jacket? Did they say a guy in a red jacket? Yeah, red shoes, gray jacket, black hat. Or, you're right, black jacket, gray hat.
Okay, what's he doing? Drunk, keep on harassing, throwing bottles, doing all that. Okay, where you going? I'm just walking around to the gas station. I just see stupid. Okay.
And how's he bothering you?
I think he threw a bottle or something and he just talking stuff. I think something wrong with him.
Alright, we'll go see if we can find him. Get down on the ground! Get down on the fucking ground! Get down on the ground! I don't know if it's that one or that one. Huh? You see him? It's in black jacket and a gray hat. What? How you doing?
I'm on the car, y'all.
Okay, what's going on?
Dude is down there.
Down where?
Like walking away down there towards me.
Do I
don't
know?
What's wrong with him? He down there.
Okay, what's he doing?
Drunk, keep on harassing, throwing bottles, doing all that.
Okay, where are you
What's
going?
wrong? I'm just walking around to the gas station. I just see him. Stupid. What's wrong?
Okay. And how's he bothering you?
I think he threw a bottle or something and he just talking stuff. I think something wrong with him.
Alright, we'll go see if we can find him. Go, bitch! Get down on the ground! Get down on the fucking ground! Get down on the ground! 344 control police action shooting. Woodland and Fairfield, I've been stabbed. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Hey,
Get your, hey,
Yeah.
cover your pressure on that.
Woodland and Fairfield.
Is that a rubber bullet?
No.
It's like rubber.
You need to put the knife away from you before the other officers show up.
Was that a real bullet?
Or just close to the intersection.
Was that a real bullet? Oh, shit.
You good? You good?
I got hit in the neck.
Get your med kit. Get your med kit. Yeah.
118.
Yeah. What do you got? He needs compression. He's hitting the neck. You got that?
He's got stabbed.
Oh,
here, come on.
You ready to move up on him?
Yeah.
All right.
You're good.
4731 in custody.
One in custody.
Falls on seat.
Where you hit? You hit?
You got a hole back here in the
I need
back.
conditions of our officers.
Yeah.
Again.
Do you have a med kit nearby or anything?